Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States. Let's try again. Are you guys having fun? There we go. Well, as the old saying goes, all good things come to an end. And, it's now our time to pass on the mics to our very, very capable successors. We will introduce them in just a moment. Before we do that, I think, Stephanie, we need to take a selfie.
We gotta take a selfie. All right, so everyone put on your best smiles.
All right, so I'm gonna count to 3, and then we're gonna take the photo. Okay?
One.
All right, 1,
You gotta get
2.
it. 2.
Make sure you get your smiles there.
Yeah. Ah. Okay. Okay.
Alrighty, that's awesome. And please, today, if you take any photos here, be sure to use the hashtag TACF 2016 to share all your photos with your friends, and be sure to also tag us on Facebook, if you would, at Taiwanese American Festival. We'd love to see your photos.
So this particular photo will be coming out of my Twitter account. You can follow me at the Slin Shady. Stephanie Lin at the Slin Shady.
That's an awesome user handle.
Thank you very much. So thank you so much, all of you, again, for humoring JC and I this morning. Please enjoy the rest of the festival. 谢谢大家，感谢大家。
All right, and now we'd like to introduce our next hosts, Miss Monica Chenglo and Mr. Da Pang.
Woot! Woot woot!
大家好，
哎呦，不错哦，大家好。
大家好，我今日真快乐，做侪人会使来了解台湾。
哎呦，你会讲台语的，
会啊
你家捌台语的有趣者哦。
哦，
哎呦
这厉害，做侪阿嬷阿
都
公
是
伫家呢。
什么阿嬷阿公，
哦
帅哥美女。
帅哥，OK OK，sorry
OK。
wrong
啊，大家吃饱无？
阿伯食饱了。
我阿伟假爸
OK
但是呢，那边有很多食物，好不好？今天呢，这个非常厉害，这个 Taiwanese American Culture Festival 找来这么多厉害的摊位，有刚刚说的这个donation 的这个 program， 然后还有这么多的食物，好不好？今天很高兴齐聚一堂，所有台湾人在这边。
Yes, very much so. I just want to welcome you guys all to today's festival, the Taiwanese American Cultural Festival. I am a proud Taiwanese American. My parents were both from Taiwan, and I'm just so privileged to have them instill this sense of cultural identity and pride. I am currently a graduate student, and I'm extremely involved in just leadership for Asian American youth with Taco Lay. How about you, Da Pang?
大胖，哎呦，大胖这个，我就是大胖，就是我就是刚来美国的这种，他们这种 ABC， 今天搭配上我刚刚从台湾过来的，好不好？这个我看到你们就像要看到我的这个爸爸妈妈，好不好？这个请多多关照我这个小朋友站在舞台上。那今天很高兴看到这个所有的爸爸妈妈呢，还有很多我们的同辈，还有很多的这个 ABT， 好不好？全部在这边，这个除了这么多摊位之外，我们还有很多精彩的表演，对不对？
So the first thing is actually we all should really value education, and we do have a scholarship winner, and I believe it's Melanie, but she is currently not here, but I think it's important to recognize an individual who has gained that kind of...
Actually, Melody's
Melanie's
here.
here! Beautiful. So I believe they have your certificate right here.
接下来我们要颁发的是这个厉害的这个奖学金啊，然后这个我们这个得主呢是我们这个 Melody， 我们来邀请这个 Melody 上台，跟我们的我们 TAP 的会长 Stephanie。
Congratulations.
Picture time.
Melanie, can I ask you where you're going to college?
I'm going to Northwestern University in
Chicago, so you're leaving us. It's another wonderful city, so it's okay.
厉害了，进了这个西北大学，好不好？这个拿这个奖学金，好好使用，不要辜负了我们。
The other way. Okay.
拍照了吗 ？OK。
So green screen, they'll put the actual award on there. All right, thank you and congratulations.
恭喜我们的这个 Melody， 掌声鼓励一下好不好？来，非常厉害啦。
All right.
Welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.